I'm totally going to be spontaneous. I'm kind of craving to make a mango, and yogurt chia pudding for breakfast tomorrow. So I'm going to go to Good Earth and get me some frozen mango, and I'm going to make it. And I'm so excited. And Steve's like, I want that too. So recipe experimenting, spring things, yum. And now I know why I don't go at this time of day. It was a madhouse in there. But I got my mango. I got this. And whoops, I got my Bellwether Farms. I'm going to try this sheep milk yogurt. It has 10 grams of protein in it. And I want to see how my body does with it. I do fine with feta and other things. So I'm going to give this a try and see. Okay, I was so excited. I came home and made it. So you can see like my mess station there. So far so good. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia and see how it does. Probably end up with 2, but we'll see. I don't want it to be so thick that it's like, I kind of want it to be like a little creamy. So I'm going to try that, but it was basically a little bit of honey, a little bit of coconut milk, the Bellwether Farm sheep milk yogurt, and then some mango. And it's still got a tiny bit of mango chunks in there, and I put it in the Vitamix. But I'm going to top this tomorrow with some bee pollen, and it's so refreshing. And I got these quinoa crispies, or maybe buckwheat. Okay, I think I got a winner here. I just tried some, and Steve had the idea, and I don't know why I didn't, to add protein oats. So I added some rolled oats, protein oats, and it's like another 10 grams of protein. So it's good. So I'm excited to have this tomorrow, and hopefully the Greek milk or the sheep's milk yogurt does good out of my tummy because it's so good. Happy Tuesday, guys. I'm still in my jammies. I just finished my breakfast, and I wanted to share something about how I think through a recipe. So remember the mango yogurt that I made yesterday. I loved it yesterday, and I liked it today. I liked it better after it sat out for half an hour, because when things get refrigerated and those flavors get combined with something like that, they kind of lose their, I would say they lose their vitality. They lose some of their like flavor. So I'm going to meal prep it, where I'm going to make the chia. I'm going to soak the chia in the coconut milk, because you have to soak chia. Otherwise it doesn't digest well. So I'm going to soak that and then add that to the yogurt in the morning, add the oats, add the mango. I'm going to chop the mango ahead, and I'm going to make like a yogurt parfait in the morning, but it's going to be easy because I'm going to have everything prepped. I think it's going to taste better that way. So I will let you know, but it is definitely a high protein breakfast, and I feel good with the sheep milk so far. So we'll see. Okay, so remember this morning I said that I loved my parfait, my mango parfait, but it just felt too cold and too stiff. So I'm gonna do the components right now so I can make it fresh in the morning. I'm gonna save myself some steps. So first of all, I had chia in there. Chia needs to be soaked in order for us to digest it and get all of its value. So I basically took a cup of coconut milk, because coconut milk is the milk I'm going to use. And then I added 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and it's been out for 10 minutes. I gave it a good stir. This is ready to go. This is gonna go in the fridge. I'm going to add that to my parfait tomorrow. Maybe 2 tablespoons, I'm not sure. The sheep's milk yogurt, I'm going to get up in the morning. I'm going to put this in a bowl, and I'm going to top it with frozen mango. I took out the mango, and I'm putting it in a glass jar in the fridge so it defrosts a little bit. You can use fresh, you do you, whatever you want, but I didn't want it to be too icy. And then I'm doing 1/3 cup of these high protein oats. 1/3 cup gives you 10 grams of protein. So I'm going to make this fresh tomorrow morning. So stay tuned, and I'll show you, and we'll do it together, and we'll see how it is.